Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan or Madhya Pradesh, BJP has always chosen a name which has not been in much discussion. BJP has said that women and West community both can be appeased through Rekha Gupta. BJP used to be strong among the West community in Delhi in 1992. When Delhi used to stop at the voice of BJP's big leader Madan Khurana. Once again, BJP has taken the first step in achieving its historical legacy of politics. Rekha Gupta comes from the West community, which is in good numbers in Delhi. West community is considered to be the core voter of BJP. Gupta has become the first woman chief minister of BJP in the country. Rekha Gupta is the second woman chief minister of the country in current politics. She is the first woman chief minister of BJP in 21 states. Rekha Gupta has become the fourth woman chief minister of Delhi. She is an MLA from Shalimar Bagh. She defeated AAP leader Vandana Kumari by 29,595 votes. Rekha Gupta got 68,200 votes. AAP leader Vandana Kumari got 38,605 votes. Praveen Jain of Congress got only 4,892 votes. Rekha Gupta is the national vice president of BJP Mahila Morcha and hails from Jind, Haryana. She was the secretary and president of Delhi University Students' Union. Along with this, she was elected councillor from North Pitampura in 2007 and 2012. She had a face defeated in the last two assembly elections. Rekha Gupta joined the Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad (ABVP), the student wings of Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh (RSS). During her childhood studies, after this, while studying in Delhi University, she was successful in winning the election of secretary in Daulat Ram College. In 1995 to 96, she contested the Delhi University Students' Union elections and became the president. Rekha then completed her studies in LLB. After completing her studies, Rekha Gupta joined the Delhi unit of BJP Yuva Morcha in 2003 to 4 and held the post of secretary here. After this, from 2004 to 2006, she served as the National Secretary of Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha. 2007 became councillor from North Pitampur. 2007 to 9 was the president of Women Welfare and Child Development Committee in MCD for 2 years. 2009 was the General Secretary of Delhi BJP Mahila Morcha. 2010 BJP gave her the responsibility of a member of the National Executive. Did not get success in the 2015 and 2020 assembly election. Rekha Gupta was fielded from Shalimar Bagh seat in the 2015 and 2020 assembly election. While in 2015 she was defeated by Vandana Kumari of Aam Aadmi Party by about 11,000 votes. In 2020, the margin of her defeat was close to 3,400 votes. However, in the 2025 assembly election, she defeated Vandana Kumari by a hug margin. Rekha Gupta's father worked in the State Bank of India and due to this, her family shifted to Delhi. Her grandfather Maniram Jindal lived in the village and her family has carried out many traditional responsibilities related to business. She still visits her village from time to time and is connected with her family.